Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make muffin cups with parchment paper. This easy method is perfect for when you run out of liners or prefer a non-stick alternative. You'll need just a few simple items: parchment paper, scissors, and a standard muffin tin. We'll start by cutting the paper into squares, typically 6 inches by 6 inches, which works well for most muffin sizes. Now let's get to shaping. Take one of your 6-inch parchment squares and center it directly over an empty muffin tin cavity. Begin by gently pressing the paper down into the cavity, allowing it to naturally form the cup shape. Use your fingers to carefully crease the paper along the bottom and sides, ensuring it conforms snugly to the tin's contours. This initial press creates the foundation for your perfect muffin liner. To really secure that perfect cup shape, grab a small glass or a jar that fits snugly inside the muffin cavity. Place it directly into the parchment-lined cavity and press down firmly. This action helps to create sharp, defined creases along the sides and ensures a nice flat bottom for your muffin. Hold it for a few seconds, then carefully remove the glass, and you'll have a beautifully formed parchment paper muffin cup ready for batter. With your parchment cups now perfectly formed and nestled in the muffin tin, you're ready to fill them with your delicious muffin batter. Simply pour or scoop your batter into each cup, filling them about 2/3 full. Bake your muffins according to your recipe's instructions. You'll love how easily your baked goods release from these liners, making cleanup a breeze and ensuring every muffin looks professionally baked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.